67 to 69 Camaro and 68 to 64 Firebird. It's for the Nova. Sorry, right? 68 to 74 Nova. And basically, this right here is going to help me smoothing out the firewall. Show you guys. I haven't seen no videos on this on YouTube really. Nobody installing it, so I'm gonna do a video of it getting installed and all that. But I'm gonna do something extra to it. Most people just use like a little bolt, and you can leave it like that. But nah, I'm gonna do something different. So basically, this here is what the plate looks like, and you put it right here on your car just like this, and it'll smoothen everything out. And it's only about I think I paid like they're like 70, 80 bucks on eBay, but I bought it from Summit. Got it in 2 days. It was 106 bucks shipped. And I'll show you guys exactly what it looked like on the car when I start on it. Yeah, so it's gonna basically cover that whole, oh shoot. We're gonna cover up all that. So all the heater hoses and all that stuff is gonna be deleted. All this is gonna be smoothing all the way to that end. So this is just a quick preview on how I'm gonna get this stuff done. Tag, y'all.
Look at this.
So we came to the conclusion. We taking this car all the way down to the metal. So y'all see it all the way right there. It has rust spots in there, rust spot. And this is actually after you cleaned it up. And I actually have rust spots. No, it's Bondo right here, right, Panda?
Yeah, Bondo right there.
It's Bondo right here. It might be some rust, and we know for sure it's Bondo and all these right here, and it's rust inside the body. Y'all see them little pussy prints?
Yeah.
The hole's already on them. Look at them. Look at them little pussy prints. So it's a little bit of rust up beneath there too, but y'all see that right there? But my boy Panda Customs gonna take care of me.
Yes, sir. Just Firewall.
This is gonna be all one video, so y'all gonna see it being unboxed, and y'all gonna be seeing see it basically put back together. It's gonna be smooth, and that shit's gonna get done too. And I just painted, that was yesterday. That's what the arm looked like. That's what it looked like before. That's what it looked like after I painted. That's what no clear either. So yeah, man. Why would they put a damn sticker on the back of this bumper on this car? They crazy. Time to start getting this thing going. I'm about to push it in the corner and drop the frame. And now I can actually I'm gonna start working on it, man. I got my customer cars to get done, but I gotta start on this too, because I know me, this damn car disappear quick if I get too frustrated. Small update. So check it out, man. We back here with my 68 Camaro in the process that's getting LS swap. For those of you that's new to the channel, I apologize for the noise in the background. For those of you guys that's new to the channel or came by this video by accident, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. It only takes a moment. I promise you won't regret it. This is my 68 Camaro. I'm doing an LS3 4L80 swap in it. And basically what I got done so far was the Detroit Speed AC, or it's basically smoothing your firewall. So I can kind of show you what it looks like now. That's what it looks like now. Thank you for cutting the music off. So this is what it looks like now. Originally had like the little big old hole and all that good jazz. Is that piece there, the blower fan. So I'm not going to drive this in the rain, so I'm thinking about just even having him go over it. This piece right here, originally this is for basically where your motor was to fit, but I seen one that had this all the way smoothing out from here to here. I like that look as well. But I seen ones that had been smooth all the way across too. But I mean, it's just, I don't want to do all that. It just, you basically got to cut out all of this, and it's just, no, I don't want to do none of that. It's too time consuming. And this was expensive enough. And I think it came out pretty damn good. He did his job. So now with this being done, I swear I want to go T56 in this car, but I cannot afford it at the moment. So 4L80 is going to be. Guess it has some ugly little BMWs wheels for there. I've been spending too much money. I found some rallies that I want to just throw on there for the time being. Well, I like the rallies. I was gonna put them on there, period, and also do this disc brake conversion on it. But now my plan is to drop the frame and send it out to powder coat. I already have the tubular A-arms, and I'm gonna go with some coilovers in the rear. So it's just a small little update. What's up, big dog? Sure. Just a small little update of the 68 middle child. Yeah, it's full interior. I still need to get the headliner, get all that stuff done. I'm gonna scrape all that stuff off. They have some stuff called it's like a lizard skin. It's like a basically like a rust stop kind of thing. There's really no rust in here though. Like all this right here is just like kind of like some type of gunk or goo or something like that. It's like, I don't know what the hell it is. Scrape all that stuff up, take it down to bare metal. Take it down to bare metal, man. All these sirens and stuff. Y'all like, where in the hell is he at? But I love this car, man. I love this car. It's coming along real nice. Coming along real nice. So yeah, man. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. LS3 4L80. Coming to a street near you soon. I gotta get all this crap. You see right here, that's for the bumper and stuff. The other side is pretty nasty too. This one right here, I don't know how the hell they did that. So yeah, man, hope you guys like it. I'm gonna take this crap off, buy a new one. It's crazy because this car is so expensive, but the parts are hella cheap. It's just expensive, you know, it's little by little stuff or whatever, but it's expensive, man. I see you. Now I don't. Ooh, like, subscribe, share, and comment, and get your paper.